We're going to tie up some onions today. We're going to try to take these down and tie them up on this little skinny rope. Have them all down, and some we're going to weed out. Like this one bolted after I picked it, so that's not going to harden off right here. That'll stay moist, and you have to eat these onions first, because if you put them in with your ones that have dried, this one will, you try to preserve it, it'll start rotting. So this is the first one to eat. Secondly, some of them, we'll pull these out. These were just recently picked. Of course, they're still green. You want it to feel paper thin. When you push it, there's nothing in there. That means they've dried off well. So we'll pull out these green ones. We've got most of them out, and this one, the bolt came off. But in particular, when they're just green and haven't dried, this is soft, but it's not flat. When they bolt it, that's really hard. That's not going to go away. All right, the way we're going to do this is pull the tops through, come back, wrap it back through, come back, wrap it back through. You make an infinity sign or figure 8, and then flip this back over on itself. That sort of makes a knot, and then we'll just cut this off. Let's do another one. Put this through, wrap it around the back, wrap it around the front, pull the onion on top of itself, and then cut it off. Okay, you got this. See, notice this last one is a little green here, but up here it was real dry, so we don't. It's dried enough. Put all the greens, put all the top together. There you go. Some people will cut these tops off before they start, but it might be easier if they're longer, and cut the little beards off. There we go. He's doing a good job. After we got started, we decided to cut him back down some more once we figured out how to do it. He was getting good at it. So these are the sweet yellows. We haven't picked the reds yet. 3 more to hang. These are too small, or the tops were too fragile, so we'll eat those first. We'll pickle them, and these we definitely have to eat first. These 4 bolted, so they're not going to cure. When you look inside here, it's going to stay wet, so we have to eat these first.